I am looking to add a delicious and unique side dish to my Easter table this year. I'm going to try and give this creamy grape salad recipe a try. I saw it a few days back on Mandy in the Making, and I thought, man, that looks delicious, and it may serve as our dessert as well. So I'm going to make about a half recipe of it today, serve it with our supper just to see if we like it. If we do, it'll show up on our Easter table this year. Now, I'll put the recipe in the description below, and I'll also link to her video. It's Mandy in the Making. I'll link to her video in the description below. So let's get going. This is the ingredients I'm going to need today. First and foremost, Mama's trusty mixing bowl that has been around forever. We're going to use cream cheese. We're going to use green and red grapes. We need a little granulated sugar, some sour cream, vanilla, some pecans, and some brown sugar. All right, the first thing I'm going to add is my cream cheese, and it has been softened. Okay. I think that's a 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup sour cream, and vanilla. I'm going to get a measuring spoon out. 1, 2. All right, let's give this a mix. Now I'm going to bring my mixture over here, back over here, and start adding my grapes to it. Looks like a lot of grapes. Just trying to dry them off a bit. I didn't want any excess water on them from where I washed them. Oh, I hope this is good, because it looks like it'll be so refreshing. Is it supposed to be hot on Easter this year? I'll have to look at the weather, see if it's going to be cool, or you never know here in the South. It might be 40 or it might be 80. I need to look and see. Now let's see if we can give this a little toss. Get this creaminess all over these grapes. Looks good. Now, I've never had this before. And I think the recipe said once you get it coated well, put it in the refrigerator and let it chill. We got it coated. Into the refrigerator we go. Okay, I dipped me some out of the refrigerator, so it has chilled a little bit. I thought, man, that's a lot of cream on those grapes, and I got to looking back, and you know, I told you I halved her recipe. Well, her recipe called for 8 ounces of cream cheese. And for whatever reason, I measured out 6 ounces. So there is a little more cream cheese in here than we actually needed. I think it was a pound of red, a pound of purple or black grapes. So there's a little more cream cheese than what I needed. But now, I chilled it. Then it says to sprinkle, and I'm going to do it in my bowl instead of in the big bowl. Sprinkle brown sugar on the top. Then sprinkle pecans on the top. How can you go wrong with that? All right. That's good. It's crunchy. It's got a big cream cheese flavor that is sweetened a little bit. I pick up the brown sugar as well, which I like, believe it or not. What a weird combination. I love those grapes kind of bursting that juice in your mouth. Now, for me, it would not be the same without the pecans. The pecans are a must. That is really good. I would put the brown sugar and the pecans on right before I served it and serve it chilled. But man, is that good. Definitely going to be on my Easter table this year. That is delicious. So thank you for joining me today as I tried out this new recipe, or new to me recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video and will give this recipe a try in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more easy and tasty Southern recipes. I am so happy to help you bring the taste of Grandma's kitchen to your table. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Now I got to get to the tomato patch.